I'm Bill Snodgrass. Welcome to this episode. I'm gonna be talking about my DJI Mavic Air again. A little quick story, a little lesson I learned as a new pilot. I've mentioned in some other videos. This is my first drone ever. My first remote anything, especially anything flying. So I made a little mistake yesterday, and here's a lesson I learned from it. So let me tell the story real quick. I was in this wooded road, and I wanted to get some shots of me walking and having the drone, follow me. And then I wanted, the little zippies drone down the trail shots. And then the next shot I wanted the drone to kind of like fly over the woods and get some high altitude shots. So I started the drone up there on the road, and then I shot the walking shots. Then I flew it down down the road and then up into the sky, and then flew it across the woods. And that's when I realized that I couldn't see the drone anymore because I was flying with the remote and watching it, and it was about 2,200 feet away, and I was like, I can't see it, and I'm in the woods, and there's trees and branches, and the home spot is like right over there. So I hit the home button anyway because I knew at that distance I had a few minutes to sort of figure it out. And so because it was coming back home, and I realized that all I had to do was wait for it to get overhead and then turn off the home feature and then work it down, and there was an opening in the trees. It was not exactly a straight shot down, but there was a way to get it down. So here's the lesson that I learned. One is you need to be pretty sure about your home spot when you start off. And it's probably worth looking up to make sure that there is a way to come down, because if you are going to fly it down there somewhere and maybe lose sight of it a little bit, you can also use the map feature to see it coming back to where you are, fly it back that way. But that was my quick lesson, and so as I go out from here on forward, I'm always going to make sure that my home location has kind of like a clear shot up. Hope this was helpful. If you're a new pilot, I'll share my mistakes as I make them, and maybe we can learn to be better drone pilots together. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Click the like button, subscribe to the channel. I do a lot of motivational, inspirational videos, but I also do the occasional photography tutorial, mostly photography and also videography, and occasionally the drone mistake videos. So please subscribe to the channel, sign up for notifications. Comments, questions are always welcome. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next episode.